We can service all of their facilities across North America if need be, and they can make one phone call as opposed to each location calling up somebody different. So I think that's the value that we hold, is they go through Ongweoweh. They don't necessarily have to go through the 50 other suppliers, pallet companies that we utilize to get it done. We orchestrate it all and make it work seamlessly. Just one phone call and get it done. You want to have a good portfolio, be diverse, and that's what we do with our suppliers. In the pandemic, for instance, we found that pallets were hard to come by. A lot of our customers were really scrambling to get pallets. They were really worried, but we have such a vast network. We were able to pull pallets from multiple states away to get them pallets and make sure no production line stopped running. The scope is pretty wide as far as pallet suppliers go. Like you'd mentioned, there's your mom and pop shops, and then you have your very large suppliers as well. The facilities range in the same aspect as well. You could have one with a lot of automation, another one won't have as much, but that's the beauty of our industry. They both supply the same product, just in a different way. And as long as we know what our suppliers are capable of, we can supply that to our customer. As where they might not know as much as we do, they'll go out and just kind of test somebody out, and it's not what they're looking for. Ongweoweh has been around for 45 years. We've tested the water. We know who's good at what. And the mom and pop shops are great. You'll get that good service to where you'll give them a call at midnight. They're going to answer the phone because it's their business. They want that load the next morning at 8 a.m. So we come across that quite a bit. Not to say that the larger guys don't do that as well. They do, but it's just kind of a different beast. And kind of knowing who has what on their plate and what capacity plays a big role into that as well. They can say what they're going to do, but until they actually do it, it is another story. So we monitor that, we audit loads, we make sure that what they're putting out is what our customer is requiring, what we're requiring of our supplier. We really encourage our suppliers to be safe. That's one of the things that we have in our MOU that we have with our suppliers, is that they have to treat their employees fairly and safely. They have to have certain things in place in order for us to do business with them. Being minority owned, we're certainly looking to work with diverse suppliers as well. A lot of our clientele look for Tier 2 spend, which we record. We're always out there looking for good suppliers, so the diversity piece does help. It's not required, but it is stuff that we report. We would like to see that. We approach our suppliers in that aspect and see what are they currently doing. We provide suggestions of, hey, we looked at things this way, and give them ideas of how to better their company as well. The better they are, the better we are. We have a lot of sustainability initiatives in place. We know what to look for.
This is just the beginning of the expertise you'll find at Ongweoweh. To learn more, speak with this expert or connect with other Ongweoweh experts. Visit ongweoweh.com or call 800-611-8964.